Coffee's cold on the wooden table side, watching the shadows stretch and try to hide. I found a photograph tucked within a book, afraid to give it more than just a look. The dust is dancing in the morning light, a silent witness to the coming night. I traced the edges of a life we knew before the world turned such a shade of blue. And it's a long way down from where we used to stand, holding on to water with a trembling hand. The silence is the loudest thing I've ever heard, searching for the meaning in a broken word. Just a ghost of us in the hallway light, fading slowly out of sight. I hear your footsteps on the gravel path, but it's just the wind and it's lonely aftermath. The clock is ticking with a heavy sound, while all my secrets stay beneath the ground. I bought the flowers that you used to like, left them by the window on the rusted pipe. The bowing heads as if they feel the weight of coming home a little bit too late. And that's a long way down from where we used to stand, holding on to water with a trembling hand. The silence is the loudest thing I've ever heard, searching for the meaning in the broken word. Just a ghost of us in the hallway light, fading slowly out of sight. Maybe time is just a healer with a light, painting over colors of a darker sky. I'm not looking for a way to start again, just a way to live with how it might have been. And it's a long way down from where we used to stand, holding on to water with a trembling hand. The silence is the loudest thing I've ever had, searching for the meaning in a broken word. Just a ghost of us in the hallway light, fading slowly out of sight, fading out of sight in the morning light. It's a long way down to the quiet ground.